Good evening and welcome to the Academy Dinner.
Shout dropping, I am show stopping. Look at me, I am all perfect. What I want, I got it. Don't you get it? It is all logic. I'm bringing.
So we do these dinners every single month. However, as from January 2024, we're rippling networking events across the entire country. Now, our spotlight speaker today is a very special one because he was the winner of the famous show, The Apprentice. So, super successful. Can we please show some love to my good friend, Mr. Joseph Valente?
It was almost confirmation that I wasn't crazy.
So like the law of attraction.
Yeah, the law of attraction, 100%. Within 2.5 years, I was doing £1 million a month. I went from everything to nothing. Everything I was posting out was getting hammered. It was brutal. A year later, I'd got the business to doing £200,000 a month in sales. 5.5 million in our first 2.5 years. And now I'm back.
It's Joseph Valente!
Let's go, champ. Thank you very much. You're all property guys, am I right? Okay, what happens if you build a property and you don't maintain it? It falls down. Same with your business, same with your personal development, same with your success. You must maintain your creation. So we must create, we must maintain our creations, and we must always continue to grow. My name's Joseph Valente. Thank you very much for listening.
Amazing. So this is where you get your chance to ask these guys the important questions about business, life, and success. So with that being said, first question's for you, Joseph. When you were on The Apprentice, did the show help you to pull models?
Yeah, it did.
Give us any examples?
No.
No, okay.
What was Lord Sugar like?
As a business partner?
Ruthless. I've never met, and still to this day haven't met, someone so fierce. And, you know, when you're in his presence, the level of respect that he commands intimidated me quite a lot. But his empathy levels are very low, and he's matter of fact, and he's not there to be your friend, and he's not bothered whether you get upset by that or not. So on Christmas morning, I went round to my mum's house. She gave me a champagne, and you know, it was 11 o'clock, so I felt a little bit tipsy, and I thought, that's a good idea to email Lord Sugar right now. So I decided to email him. I said, Lord Sugar, thanks so much for picking me as the winner. I'm never going to let you down. Can't wait to do it. We're going to smash this. You know, it was a load of emotional, passionate stuff. And I got an email back saying, never send me an email like that ever again. That was it. Honestly, no joke, on Christmas morning. I was like, whoa.
Joseph, what did you think of the beef between Lord Sugar and Samuel?
Yeah, I mean, great question. I think that Lord Sugar made a statement and he was wrong, and Samuel pulled out the evidence and proved himself right. So I think Sam's responses were very smart, and that gave him the credibility because he showed he wasn't lying. So I'm still to this day really unsure why Lord Sugar put that video out and said that it didn't happen, because it clearly did. So
what would you say was the biggest personal lesson that you learned from your time on The Apprentice?
I suppose it was I'm not crazy. And by that I mean, I genuinely believed that from the day that I applied for that show, I'd already won. People say to me, did you really think you were going to win? And I said to them, do you think I enter anything to lose? I don't go into anything thinking I'm going to lose. Everything I attack with 100% confidence and conviction.
With that being said, it brings us perfectly on to our next question, actually. Who would win in a fight, you or Samuel?
Me.
So are we gonna
Of course, me.
So are we gonna, Samuel, would you agree with that? Are we gonna make this happen, like Rob Moore and Samuel Leeds? Law of attraction is very good, but it will only take you so far.
Let's get ready to rumble! Ding, ding, ding!
You guys gonna make that happen? I'm game. I'll happily get in the ring with Joseph.
Give us a cheer if you want to see it happen.
I'll be totally down for it, but I don't think Joseph would do it. But I don't think he would do it.
I am 100% down for it. Let's go. Woo, woo, woo.
All right, within 12 months?
Yes.
All right, we'll do it. We'll make it happen.
Let's go.
So someone just shouted, "Do it now!"
Bare knuckle.
What do you think of the success and the energy in the room of our Academy family here today?
Yeah, it's amazing. It's amazing. Great energy, great people. Everybody seems engaged. Everybody's hungry, and you can feel the desire for success.
Yeah.
So thank you very much. It's been a great experience.
Ladies and gentlemen, Joseph Valente.
Thank you.
So at the Academy, we like to really celebrate success. And when you celebrate your success, what happens is more and more success comes. So in a moment, I want to give an opportunity for you to share any successes that you've recently had. So if you want to come and share, you want to take the microphone for 20 seconds, just come and form a line, and we're going to give you an opportunity to come and share. Don't be shy.
I've had the pleasure of co-sourcing with many people in this room. I'm in a great position at the moment because I have investors, but I need more deals. So definitely find me if you have any. But my success is that I've managed to secure 2 neighbouring lease option deals, which are just going for solicitors.
First BRR project is completing tomorrow. I'm really excited. So I want to take this opportunity to thank all the mentors who have guided me through this journey. Thank you so much.
We go down. This month, we've nearly sold a deal a day. We've also picked up the keys to a lease option agreement. We've started the office on Watford High Street. It's doing really well.
In the past 2 weeks, I finally signed up for 2 renter essays in Brighton, so I'm super happy. And I did it whilst working full-time in a really stressful job as well. So yeah, if you're struggling and you work full-time, you can do it.
Hi guys, my name's Adam, and today's my first day in this room. Thank you. Me being here is an honor. This is my success because last month I couldn't afford fuel, I couldn't pick my kids up from school, I couldn't afford the Premier Inn, and I sold my first deal to get here. So now I'm here. Imagine what I can do. So if anyone wants a tenacious deal sourcer working on their behalf, you come find me later.
Hello, my name's Marley, this is my mum Tracy, and believe it or not, 2 weeks ago I got a 12-month booking on a 3-month contract. So every 3 months I just update the contract. Unbelievable. And also I just got a 3K booking about 20 minutes ago for 30 nights. So everything is going very, very well.
Got 3 essays within 3 weeks, and me having quadruplets who were 5 years old last week. Woo! If I can look for furniture and furniture 3 essays, while this young guy went running getting every bit of furniture, you all can do it.
Hi guys, so I'm Yasha. I've got 3 essays in Luton, so currently at the moment they are booked up with an average of about 55 to 58 nights, all of them. And I'm taking on my first 5 management properties as well, so I'm currently in the process of doing that.
Hi everybody, my name's Joost. I joined the Academy at the start of last month in October. In October I managed to sell 12k worth of deals, and we went from having 2 renter essays to having 7 with 5 under management. So,
hi everyone, I'm Kyle. Since the last Academy dinner, we've sourced 2 more HMOs and become financially free. And literally yesterday, we sourced a 14-bed HMO for an investor. So if you're looking for big HMO deals, you know where to come.
So I'm from Manchester, so I've been a paediatric nurse for over 10 years. And I left my job last month and I joined the Academy. And on Monday, I picked up the keys for my first essay. Thank you. And I've secured a 7-bed luxury service accommodation unit, and an estate agent called me yesterday from the property that we picked up the keys for, and he's got 4 of the properties for me. So, yeah.
My name's Teshy from House of Chima. 1 year ago this week, I just quit my job. Now I manage 20 properties, and I was just featured on the Sun newspaper and in Leeds Live. Let's give it up for our speakers!